Hi everyone, in this occasion we are going to show you how to install a Windows 10 virtual machine using VirtualBox.
The first step is that you must first download and install the VirtualBox application on your computer. Just type on Google search VirtualBox. After you install the VirtualBox, search the Windows 10 ISO file on Google and download it. You can also use it to upgrade your PC, but in this occasion, we will use it to get the ISO file. Choose the Create Installation Media option and then click Next. Choose the ISO file option. Choose the folder where you want it to be downloaded and then download it. After you have downloaded the ISO, open up the VirtualBox again. Add a new operating system. Give your operating system a name. On the ISO image section, select the ISO file you have downloaded, then click the Next button. If there's a pop-up saying can't overwrite machine folder, you have to select another installation folder for your virtual machine. Click Next and adjust the hardware settings to your needs, as long as it's still inside the green line. Click Next again, and this is your overview for the virtual machine specification you are about to install. If everything is set, click the Start button to begin the installation.
Wait a few minutes as the installation process is on progress. Choose the language for your Windows 10, just select English, then click Next button. Click the Install Now button. You will be asked to enter the product key. If you don't have one, then just click the I don't have a product key button. Choose one of the types of Windows 10 operating system. Check the I accept the license term option. Install Windows Only Advanced to install Windows 10. You have to create hard disk partitions as file storage and also for the system. So now, you just need to wait until the Windows 10 installation process is complete. you will be asked to select a region. Next, you will be asked to choose a keyboard layout. Just click US. In the sections to add a second keyboard layout, click the skip button. Wait a while for it to complete all the final process. Now you can enjoy Windows 10 service in VirtualBox.